Hey guys, welcome back to Repairman for Life videos. Hope y'all doing well today. Today we have to take this receptacle here and turn it into a 4 receptacle duplex. So let's dive right into the video. First of all, always make sure that your power is off. We've done checked that, the power is dead. Just get you one of these no contact testers. This one's from Harbor Freight here, $5-6. And it does help out. Just push the button, hold it into the small side of it, usually, or any side, but usually the small side is going to be your hot side. And that is dead. Alright, you're going to need a straight screwdriver. Take off your covers, one screw in that. Set that to the side. Alright. We're going to use our DeWalt impact drill. Use a DeWalt impact pretty much every day. You got 2 Phillips screws, one at top and bottom on your receptacle. Just back those out. Alright. Alright, you see we got 4 wires in here. So we got 2 blacks and 2 white wires. Alright, we've got 2 ground wires are twisted together. We'll have to take that apart and hook it back up. So we want to first of all take a drill and loosen up these terminals. Alright, so we want to pull this, see what's going where. These are coming down from the top. Alright. So we should be able to take this grounding clamp. This is just a clamp that's squeezed on. Sometimes we can just squeeze it back the opposite way and get it off. If not, we'll cut it off and end up tying a piece back to it. I don't think this bad boy wants to come off. Alright, we got it off that time. Just cut it off. Take your 2 ground wires and unwind them. Twist it together there. Alright. Alright, so we're going to push these back in for a minute. Alright. Got a pencil. See, we got an old workbox on here. This is the old workbox. It's got the tabs on it. Gonna mark it. We'll show you. And once you have the tabs, you tighten up that tab, will fold out like that and hit the back side of the sheetrock. You got 2 tabs, one on each corner. Okay. Now we're going to take a vibrating tool. That ain't good. So we gotta go the other way. That ain't gonna be good, is it? So slide it in there, guys. Made a little boo-boo there, but we gonna get through it here. This is real life. You got 2 nails in there holding this new construction box, huh? Straighten the wires out. Get that nail out of there. Let's see if we can. Alright, so sometimes you gotta make sure that the little tabs are popped all the way out on the new construction box, where it's nothing holding the box in. So what I'm gonna do is do it the easy way. Got that cut in two. We got a little more room to work with. Sometimes the wires get hold up in there. Alright. We got a new box. The wire just pushes in here. I like to just bend those all the way back. Now sometimes they'll just break off completely. See, it's gone. Just knock them out. Make sure your tabs are flat up on top. It didn't leave any slack in this wire either. There is no slack at all. So you ought to expect that. They're not going to leave any slack for you to work with. Alright, so now we can twist up the tab. Alright, it just grabbed right then. You can hear it grab. You don't want to over tight them, it'll strip them out really easy, so you do not want to over tight them. Alright, what I'm doing now is I'm taking these rounds and twist them together. What we're going to have to do is end up putting a pigtail on these things for a receptacle. Alright. So, and also correctly match the size of your wire. I mean, what we have here is a 14 gauge wire. This is in a kitchen, but most all the other ones in here are 12, but for some reason this one's 14. So, we got us some 14 here. Just grab hold to the wire, pull your wires out. Alright, so you want to take it. We got to have 2 grounds. We're going to put double receptacles, so we got to have 2 grounds here. So you want to cut this in half. Just twist that a little. I think this is 12. Let me double check. Alright, it might be 12 then. Let's see. Double check and make sure. This stuff is 12. It sure feels like 14. No, it is 12 actually. Some soft moving 12 right there. You always want to match your wire size up. Could create some heat or something. Electricity does build heat. Alright, so 2 ground wires. those are twisted together good. Normally we'd put a greenie on there, but all my stuff is over. This was something that was added here at the last minute. All right. So we're going to end up putting our grounds on. Take your pliers and do your little bend like that. Needle nose pliers. Go back, check them with the screwdriver. Make sure they're tight. Alright, let's see. Loosen these up. A lot of times these are already loose, but I may need to loosen them up. Check it with your screwdriver. All right, let's get this one going. Let's check it. You want to put your hot on your gold screw, your silver screw is your neutral. Check your screws for tightness. So basically one of these is your hot coming in, the other one is just feeding hot somewhere else. So all we're going to end up doing is doing a jumper wire. We'll jump a hot from here to the hot over here, a neutral from this one to this one, and that'll complete the circuit. Alright, we'll come over here. Roll this over. Sure this thing is open. double check everything. Alrighty, guys. What I'll do is now is get it back in there. That can be the tough part. Well, let's rotate it over. I normally like to put my ground down. Alright, let's see. Let's slide a little piece of sheetrock back in there. We'll put a little bit of mud on that. Get that corrected. Alright, guys. I hope this has been informational. This is all done out of in any way any responsible for anybody getting hurt. So please use common sense on this stuff. This is just an entertainment, for your entertainment here on YouTube. I hope it helps you out in life. And with that being said, we'll see you the next time. Thank you and have a good day.